Running your logistics with tools from the 90s, is that still viable today? Too many emails, too many spreadsheets, too many tools, and zero visibility to make fast, informed decisions. What if you could manage all your transport and procurement flows from a single platform and share full visibility with your teams and your partners? Shiptify orchestrates your transport and logistics operations in one centralized, collaborative environment. More than 10,000 carriers worldwide already collaborate on Shiptify, and thousands of companies from SMEs to large enterprise use it every day to manage their logistics flows. With the TM module, you can manage all your transport operations, full truckload, parcel, express, across all modes, road, sea, air, and rail. From quoting to booking, and all the way to shipment tracking, everything is in one place. The result? Greater visibility, fewer emails, higher productivity, and above all, more confident, aligned teams. With the invoicing module, you keep transport costs under control, instant pre-invoicing and collaborative validation. But logistics isn't just about transport, it's also about warehouses. With ShiptiDock, your dock operations run smoothly. Carriers can book a time slot in just 30 seconds. Dock activity is balanced, planned, and fully under control. Everything is transparent and reliable. Shiptify is a complete, powerful solution, fully connected to your ecosystem, easy to deploy, fast to adopt. Request a demo with one of our experts. You might be surprised. Shiptify, supply chain as it should be.